Okay, voice typing is one of the best features, I think, of Google Docs, and it allows you to say what you want to type instead of actually typing what you want to type. So all you have to do, I'm going to close this down so I show you how I get to it. All you do is close it down, you go into Tools, and you go down to voice typing. You can also access it by doing Control Shift S. So you click on that, and this is what it'll give you. But now they have lots of different languages in here. Just look at all the languages you can use. I'm sure there's going to be a language in here for anyone on here that wants to use it. I'm not quite sure what the English versions the difference would be, but I'm going to select United Kingdom because I am from United Kingdom. And then all you have to do is click. And once you click it, it will go red, and then it will say whatever you want it to type. Please subscribe and like this video, and for more quick tips, don't forget to stick around. And that's it. It will do exactly what you say. It's very good at picking up nuances and accents. I know people who have strong accents, it still picks up what they're going to say. And I think this is absolutely fantastic, the way that it does this. And you can also edit some things on here as well. So if I say select all, delete. There you go. So you can do things like select all, you can put punctuations in, you can delete whole lines, you can do new paragraphs. There's lots of different things you can do with the voice typing on Google Docs, and I think it's one of the best out there. So if you want to give it a try, please do, and let me know in the comments what you think about it.